Okay, back near the beginning, if there's a way to check max boost without being on the water. Not really. It's really, I mean, I don't care what make or model it is. Most test tanks, you could be in a test tank and you can run it, but boy, I've seen some really gnarly, accidents come out of test tanks and trying to get full boost numbers, pinning the thing wide open. The problem is a test tank, you're just cavitating in the water, so you're not getting good thrust, and the engine is never actually hooking up, and so you're getting too much turbulence through it that it's just going, so you're not getting steady flow. The other half of that idea is keep your ski totally strapped to the trailer, dunk it in the water and run it, and pray to God that your straps and everything holds and you don't shoot the ski into the back of your truck while you're sitting there going, ah! Now, I understand you're looking at like slippage. And you go, is my belt slipping? Or is, the clutch slipping in the Yamaha? Or are the clutches failing in my Sea-Doo? That's fine. I get it. Just ride it. Go out and just a strip of water. Whoop, 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 whoop. Make 2 runs in both directions. Come back and make your decision. Ding, ding. Easy. Took you no time. So that's going to be really the easiest way to do it. Just go out there and ride it. Are you getting full numbers? Are you on a GPS and you're getting full numbers? But no, test tanks, those numbers are bad. Trailer, I would never do it. I don't care if you got brand new Strapinos. I don't care if you got galvanized chain holding that ski down. I would not go full tilt, full throttle on the trailer. Ever. I would never do it. I've seen it fail. I'm sure some guy's like, you can totally do it. Don't listen to Kevin. He's being a worrywart. Oh, he's such a Debbie Downer. Go get fine. Go ahead. But I wouldn't. Go out and ride the damn thing. Just whop. You can do it in jeans and tennis shoes. Doesn't matter. You'll be fine. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.